Hi there. In this video, we are going to be installing the new version of CMS software. Specifically, this is for the 32-bit version of the Mac software. And so that means that you're going to be running the Mac OS versions, one of these, Mojave, so on and so on, all the way down to Mountain Lion, one of those. If you're running either Catalina or Big Sur operating system, then you should stop this video and run the other video that shows how to install the 64-bit Mac software. And just to double check that you are running one of these, the way that you can quickly do that is to move your pointer up to the top and display the apple. Click on the apple, and then about this Mac. This window will come up and it'll show you the version right after Mac OS. I'm running Catalina, but for the purposes, because I'm already 64-bit, but yours should say one of these if you're going to be using this process right here. All right, so what we're going to be doing in this video, we're going to be installing two components, Adobe Air, and then our new Rhode Island CMS Air client, a 32-bit version. So things that you need to open up this email that I sent before the meeting because there are some download links that we're going to use. And as well as you should be using an account on your Mac right now that has administrator rights, privileges, and the password for that because that's needed to do some installation. All right, so let's go ahead and start here. So find the link in this email that says get adobe.com Air and click on that. Go to the link. All right, I'm going to download this. Click the download. All right, and you'll see this. Once it's downloaded, you'll see in the lower left-hand side corner the name of the file that's downloaded. You're already done with this Adobe Windows. You can just forget about that. They're trying to sell you something actually. But click on the Adobe Air.dmg file. It's going to open it. All right, it opens up this other window with the view of the Adobe Air installer. Double click that file. It says that the Air installer is downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I am sure. Click the open button. Hey, all right. It's gonna step us through installing Air. And I definitely agree to all of this. Air, we have to enter in our password for this Mac. Adobe Air has been successfully installed. Yay! Hit the finish button. Right, I might as well close this out since I'm done with this. I'm going to go back to my email right here. So we've completed this. Now we have to install this by clicking this link here. Go to this link. All right. So you may see this download button. If not, there's a download icon on the upper right-hand side. You can go ahead and click that. And you'll see the file downloading in the lower left-hand side again. Once that's complete, click that once. And yes, it's okay that it's being installed, even though it's from the internet. Click open. Installer is running. Are you sure? Yep, it comes from St. Vincent de Paul. Yes, and click the install. You can take all these defaults here, click continue. And eventually it's completed and it runs the new CMS. Here it is. It looks very similar to the our old CMS, except that we don't have to run it from Chrome, so you don't see the Chrome at the top here. I am going to log in. Because we're going to check one thing. And that is the PDF rendering. So when you're in here, click user guide and any one of these PDFs and click on the case record form. And you should see the case record form be displayed in a separate window. It may be Adobe, it may be Acrobat Reader or maybe Preview, as long as you can see it. I'm going to close this out. There's a possibility too that you may see it inside this pane, and that's fine too, as long as you see the PDF. And with that, we successfully installed. So I'm gonna log out and close this out. And so from now on, the way that you start this is that you go to Finder, go to your applications, click on the application, scroll down until you can find the Rhode Island CMS application and double click. And that will start up again here. One other cleanup item that you should do is that if you have any old bookmarks to the old CMS, you can see right here, I have a bookmark, the CMS link inside my Chrome. It's a good idea to remove that now because you should be using from this point on the new version of CMS instead of the old Chrome. All right, well, thank you very much for sticking with me here, and I hope everything was successfully installed. Bye now.